All right, your topic is describe a difficult decision that you once made. So you will have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
I think taking decision is always difficult because when we are in the stage that we have to take our decision, we are in the procedure to opt for something and they lose the other thing. In my experience, it was very difficult to me to take a decision in my higher education when I was in the higher education studies class, okay, whether I should opt the medical science studies or go for the general science. I always want to become a doctor in my childhood, and my family always wanted me to do a medical studies. And in the other hand, in my mind there was also a good idea to become a bureaucrat, because I was always good in science studies as well as in arts and other the political science, like general knowledge like studies. And it was the difficult situation for me. It was a difficult task for me to take a decision whether I should opt for the medical science or go for the general science and
All
the
right,
other
thank you very
side.
much. So just try to summarize your ideas. Overall, it's good. The choice of this thing is also good. I found few mistakes which were related to tenses. Like you said, I always want to become doctor in my childhood. Should I mean I always wanted to become a doctor? Then you said good in. After good, we use at. I was
At.
good at science. He is good at mathematics, like that. So grammatical mistakes, otherwise it's fine, and try to express yourself precisely. I mean, don't give too much detail, just precisely go over the topic and cover the points one by one, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we move on to speaking part 3. What decisions do people generally make in their daily life?
First of all, I think to wake up early in the morning is the most toughest decision the mostly people go through in their life. And the other thing is the to plan the whole day activities. I think is the most
All
difficult
right, so answer
decision.
should be clear. What decisions? Whenever they say what decisions,
Decisions.
people usually make a number of different decisions in their life. First of all, they have to decide every night when are they going to get up in the morning. On the other hand, what to eat, what to drink, where to go. There are thousands of different decisions that people make in their daily life. Just talk about it like
Yes.
that. Signpost language is important, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.